If you suspect that your Uber account has been compromised or you have received notifications about suspicious activity, it is important to act quickly to regain access. Follow these steps to secure your account. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Use the Forgot Password feature. On the login screen, select the Forgot Password option. Enter the email address or phone number associated with your account to receive a password reset link. Step 3. Check your email or SMS. Look for the password reset email or SMS message from Uber. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Make sure to create a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. Step 4. Review account activity. Once you regain access, navigate to your account settings and review your trip history and payment methods. Look for any unauthorized threats or charges and report them to Uber immediately. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. To enhance your account security, enable two-factor authentication in app settings. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code sent to your phone whenever you log in. Taking these steps will help you regain access to your Uber account and protect it from future unauthorized access. Always stay vigilant and monitor your account regularly for any unusual activity.